Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make a super chocolatey recipe. This is double chocolate cookies. It's super fudgy, very tasty. So let's see how to make this. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. Into a large bowl, add in room temperature butter, white sugar, brown sugar and blend it. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use a whisk to blend it together. Once it is well combined, add in 2 room temperature eggs, one at a time, and blend it. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and mix it. Now let's add in all the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and some salt. Now sift it and add it into the butter mixture. Mix it or blend it to combine it well. Now our cookie dough is ready. Now let's dump in the second trip of chocolate, dark chocolate chunks. And there is no particular measurement for this. You can add half a cup, 1 cup or even 2 cups. Mix it with the cookie dough. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and use an ice cream scoop to scoop out the cookie dough and place it onto the tray. And leave some space between each scoops because while baking this will really spread. You can add more chocolate chunks on top of it. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 14 to 15 minutes. Now our double chocolate cookies are ready. You can leave these cookies on the baking tray itself for 5 minutes and then transfer it onto a wire rack. These double chocolate cookies are so yum and very dangerous because you're definitely gonna get addicted. And when you bite into these cookies, you can see the melted chocolate chunks inside. It tastes even better with warm milk. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.